Welcome to today's video where we dive deep into the world of Forex brokers. If you're just starting out in Forex trading or looking to refine your approach, understanding what a Forex broker is and how to choose a reliable platform is crucial. Let's explore the essential criteria you should evaluate before signing up with a Forex broker. What is a Forex broker? A Forex broker is an intermediary that facilitates the buying and selling of foreign currencies for traders. They provide the platform where traders can execute their trades, and offer access to the global Forex market. Forex brokers can be categorized into two main types: market makers and ECN brokers. Key criteria for evaluating a reliable Forex broker. Regulation and safety. One of the most important factors is whether the broker is regulated by a reputable financial authority. Look for brokers regulated by organizations like the FCA, UK, ASIC, Australia, or NFA, US. This ensures they follow strict guidelines to protect your funds and interests. Trading platform and tools. A good broker will offer a robust and user-friendly trading platform. Popular platforms like MetaTrader 4 or 5, MT4, MT5, are industry standards. Ensure that the platform offers real-time charts, advanced order types, and market analysis tools to support your trading strategies. Spreads and commissions. The cost of trading is another essential consideration. Check the spreads, the difference between the buy and sell price, and commissions charged by the broker. Lower spreads mean less cost per trade, which can significantly improve your profitability over time. Leverage options. Forex brokers offer different leverage options, allowing you to control a larger position with a smaller capital investment. Be cautious with high leverage; it can amplify both your potential profits and risks. Customer support. Reliable customer support is vital, especially when you're new to Forex trading. A trustworthy broker will provide 24/7 support through live chat, email, or phone. Deposit and withdrawal process. A good Forex broker will offer seamless deposit and withdrawal methods, ensuring you can easily access your funds. Always check for any withdrawal fees or delays. Educational resources. If you're a beginner, make sure the broker offers educational content such as webinars, tutorials, and articles to help you understand the Forex market better. Choosing a reliable Forex broker is essential for your success as a trader. Evaluate the criteria we discussed, do thorough research, and choose the best platform that aligns with your trading goals. Remember, not all brokers are created equal, and picking the right one can make all the difference in your trading journey. If you're ready to start trading with a top-tier, trustworthy Forex broker, click the link in the description or comments below to open an account with one of the best Forex platforms in the industry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on Forex trading. If you have any questions or need further clarification, leave a comment below. We're here to help.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.